Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. Today is lecture number 18, Unit 1, Text 2. The name of the lesson is No. This is a poem composed by Thomas Hood. He beautifully described the autumn season by using the word no in a very effective and beautiful manner. You know, when the autumn season comes, everything goes under the cover of snow. Each and every activity of human beings, animals, birds, and even of plants comes to a standstill. So, there is no activity anywhere. Each and everything is fully covered under the silvery snow. Today, we'll start its exercises. So open your books at page 15. We'll start with part A. Part A is understanding the poem. Question number 1 of part A, that is short answers. A. In what way is the title of the poem good one? You know, the title of the poem is No. No is a negative word, but the poet has used this word in a very effective and beautiful manner that enhances the beauty of the poem. The title No is a good one because it is reflected in every line of the poem, including the last line, that is November. Even the last line, November, also starts with no, as November starts with no, no, November. The negative no tells us that everything is coming to an end. B. Is there a rhyming scheme to the poem? Can you remember if there is any rhyme scheme or not? No. There is no regular rhyming scheme to the poem. It is a blank verse. Part C is rather interesting. Which words tell us about the following? Times of day. There are certain words, dear students, which refer to different times of day. Morn. Morn means morning. Noon, dawn, dusk, proper time, afternoon. All these words refer to times of day. Number 2, roads. Road, street, the other side the way. It means the other side of the road, the other side of the way. Row. Row here means a narrow street. Crescents. The literal meaning of crescents is moon. But here in this poem, crescent means the arc-shaped streets. The streets which are not straight, they are like the moon, an arc shape. Way, ring. You know, this ring refers to the circle that is there in the Hyde Park. The gentility, the rich people, the noble people went there and enjoyed riding. Number 3, motion or interaction. There are a lot of words which refer to motion or interaction. Indication, recognitions. Recognitions means identification, shnacht, courtesies, good act, nice behavior to show to the other people, showing, knowing, traveling. Locomotion. Locomotion means movement from one place to another. Inkling. Inkling means hint or clue. There is no hint of the streets. Notion, idea, go, mail, post, news. Cheerfulness, healthful ease, comfortable feel. Number 4, weather conditions are geographical features. Sun, moon, sky, earthly view, land, ocean, coast, park, warmth, shade, and shine. Last is living creatures and plants. All this poem, you know, revolves around living creatures and plants. People, company, nobility, member, butterflies, bees, fruits, flowers, leaves, and birds. That's all of today's lecture. Dear students, read it once again and then write all the questions and answers in their notebooks. Certain students still keep asking me, sir, do they have to purchase only one copy or two copies for A and B? I repeatedly say that you will have only one copy for A and B homework. You need not take two separate copies. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. If you find any problem, if you find any issue, you may contact me in the feedback group. Take care. Thank you very much.